grade. Today, we sorted coins greatest to least on our papers. One group, raise your hand, one group. Okay, Kinley, I saw your hand first. What was your group's numbers for up here first, your coins? You first had what?
A quarter.
A quarter, which is 25. And then what?
Another quarter.
Another quarter. And then what?
5 dimes.
5 dimes. I know I don't have my cent in there. And what else?
A nickel.
1 nickel.
And a penny.
And 1 penny. All right. Is that in order correctly?
Yes.
Yes. From greatest to least, our quarters are most. Now let's count this. We have 25 and another 25 would be
50,
60, 70,
80, 90, 100, 105, 106.
Now, if we did 106, that's how we would write it, right?
Yes.
Now, boys and girls, when you are doing money, you have to put a dot in between. After you have 2 numbers at the end, you got to put a dot there. Now that makes that $1.06. Okay? And Bradley, your group, want to do the bottom one? Tell me the bottom one. What you got at the bottom?
A quarter.
Quarter.
3 dimes.
3 dimes.
3 pennies.
And 3 pennies. Okay, so let's count that. What first? Is that in the right order? Yes. Do they have any nickels in there? No, they didn't get nickels that time. So now let's count it. 25.
35, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58.
Now, in that one, do I have 3 numbers?
No.
No. So this is just cents. There is no dollars, okay? When you actually get $1, you're going to put a dollar sign. But if you get no dollars, you have 50 cents. Does that make sense? Okay. No, you don't have to write it. Okay. So today, you are going to order coins from the greatest value to the least value and then find the total. Okay? So looking at this picture right here, what's the highest value that I have? What's the highest value coin, Grayson?
25.
And what's that called? Quarter. How many of those do I have in that picture?
2.
I'm talking to Grayson. How many?
2.
2. So I'm going to draw 2 25 cents. Okay, do you see how they did that here? Okay, so now I got those 2 out of order. Do you see how I'm putting an X so I don't use them again? Okay, that might be a good idea for some of you that might get a little confused. All right? Okay, now what's my next highest coin in that picture? Oh, I really like how some people are raising their hand, but then I still hear people shouting out. What's the next biggest one? A dime. How many dimes do I have?
1.
1. So I'm going to do 1 dime. And then what's my next value? 1 cent, which is a penny, right? Okay. And we have how many pennies? 2. So they do 2 pennies. Now we're going to count them. Okay, to find the total. So you have 25, then you have 50, 10 more would be 60, 1 more than that would be
61,
1 more than that.
62,
Okay, so what's our total value?
62 cents.
62 cents. Okay, because we did this as a group already, I think that you guys should be able to do share and show by your, well, let's do number 1 together, okay? Let's do number 1 together, and then I'll let you guys do other things with partners, okay? Okay, so looking at number 1, this picture. What is my highest valued coin? And how many of those are there? 1. Okay, so we're going to put 1.25 cents. Okay? Don't make it too big or too small because you wouldn't be able to see it. Okay. Now, which of these coins is that coin?
The middle.
The middle. So cross out the middle one. You used it. What's the next highest valued coin that's there, Haley?
5 cents.
And that's called what?
A nickel.
A nickel. How many of those are there?
2.
There are 2 5 cents. There are 2 nickels. Once you have that drawn, cross them out. Sorry, that looks like 50. And then what is my last value, Chase? 1 cent, which is a penny. And how many of those are there? 2. Okay. Now we have to do the total. So we have a value in the inside. So let's just draw what we have in the bottom, like the numbers. So we have 1 quarter, which is 25 cents. And we need to add 5. 25 plus 5 is
30.
30. This is where you know how we did those commas when we were counting yesterday? We can do this commas. After 30, what's 5 more than that?
35.
35, comma. And then we're just going to add 1, which is
36.
36, and then add 1 more, which is
37.
37 cents. All right. Everybody make sure you have that. And make sure you have a cent sign. I make my kids miss a point if they don't make a cent sign. You have to make your cent sign on the answer. Okay? You have to make your cent sign on the answer. Just on the answer. I'm not worried about the other stuff. Just make sure it's on the answer. Okay? Now, I will let you do 2 and 3 with your partner. I will let you do the on your own with a partner.
The entire?
That's what I've been doing, hasn't it? Yeah. Okay, however, let's talk about this. So go to this page, please. Okay, solve or write to explain. Paulo has these coins right here. He spent 1 quarter. How much money does he have now? Okay, I'm going to have you do that on your own. He spent 1 quarter. What does that mean you need to do? If you're spending money, you're giving it away, right? So you need to cross out 1 quarter and then figure out what he has left. Okay? That's not a quarter that you crossed out. That is a nickel. If you crossed out this first one, that is not a quarter. That is a nickel. This is the only quarter that there is. Wow. Okay, number 10. Rachel has 2 quarters, 3 dimes, and a nickel in her bank. How much money is in Rachel's bank? Draw those coins and then count them. Okay? All right. Hot problem. Number 11. You don't have to do that now. Just do it when you do it on your own. Okay? We're going to go on. Don't do it now. Number 11. Blake has only nickels and dimes. Okay? He only has nickels and dimes. So he only has 5 cents and 10 cents. Okay? Coins. He has twice as many nickels as dimes. The total value of his coins is 60 cents. What coins does Blake have? Okay, we'll do this one together. This one's kind of a hot problem. So, he has nickels and dimes. He has 60 total cents. But it says he has twice as many nickels than he does dimes. Let's say he had 1 dime. Okay? 1 dime. If he had twice the amount of dimes, how many nickels would that mean he has? 2. So if he had 2 nickels, how much money is that? Yeah. No.
20.
20. Is that 60?
No.
No. Okay, so let's throw out another. How many dimes? Somebody else throw me another amount of dimes. Lena, what do you think? Try 2 dimes. Okay, if he has 2 dimes, then double that would be how many nickels?
3.
No.
4.
Oh, I'm really wanting some hands in here. What's double of 2? Grayson? Double 2 is 4. So we would have to have 4 nickels then. Okay, now let's count that. 10, 20, 25.
30, 35, 40.
Is that 60?
No.
No. So we have to try again. We didn't get the right answer that time. Miles, what do you want to try now? 4 dimes. Okay, let's try 4 dimes. 4 dimes. How many nickels would that be then? If you're doubling the dimes, how many nickels would that be?
8.
Xander? 8. So then we're going to have 8 5-cents. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, let's count that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. How much do we want total though?
60.
Oh, so we went over that. That was 80. So now we did 2 dimes. We did 4 dimes. What's in the middle of 2 and 4, Xander? 3. So let's try 3 dimes. Okay, I want you to draw 3 dimes on here. I'm pretty sure we're probably going to get the answer this time. What is double the amount of 3, Jaron? 6. So you're going to have 6 nickels. Okay, so let's count these. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. All right, so how many dimes did we have?
3.
And then how many nickels did we have?
6.